What's up guys, this is Federico from EasyBiz. Welcome back to our channel. In this video I show you our StockMages review. I will show you why you should use it, how it works, the pricing and exactly everything you find inside. So make sure to stay until the end to get everything you need. If you're new to our channel, my name is Federico. I'm an internet marketer for years. We test marketing tools and software every single day. Our purpose is to give you honest opinions and deals on upcoming products in the digital marketing world. Before get started, I show you our bonus page. Here we have a ton of extra bonuses, over $2,000 of courses and guides that you will receive if you purchase StockMages through our link. They will give you all the digital marketing skills with strategies for generating traffic, leads and sales for any type of online business you are doing or want to start. If during the video you want to take a look, just click the link in the description below for all details. All of these bonuses will be waiting for you immediately after you purchase StockMages. So what is StockMages about? It is a software for internet marketers, social media agency that allows you to create unlimited images for any purpose in just a few clicks. It works in a very simple way. Inside you find over 3,500 cropped images belonging to dozens of different niches, and you have over 1,500 different backgrounds of any kind. As the page shows you, it only takes 3 simple steps. Take the cropped images, take the background and put them together. Finished. The final effect is very eye-catching. Usually to make these kinds of images, you either use design platforms like, for example, Canva, where you have a monthly subscription to have no limitations, or more complex ones like Photoshop, or even pay freelancers to have these images made every time. StockMages solves these things. Simply, you only have an initial fee of $24.95 and then you don't have recurring subscription and you can make as many images as you want in seconds. If you work as an agency and resell services, you can do it just fine. You can create images, for example, for your clients' social media. You have a video training that explains everything step by step. You are completely guided, and even if you're a beginner, you will be fine. However, you can find all these details on the sales page. You can check for yourself. Okay, what I'm going to do now is to start a quick video explaining this a little bit more, and then I'll come back.
Hello entrepreneurs and business owners out there. First of all, I want to thank you for checking out StockMages. My name is Stefan, I'm the co-founder of StockMages, and in today's video I want to show you how easy it is to create image content for your projects or for your clients. So I have chosen an online image editing software which is free and online, so you don't have to download it or something. We'll click create a design, and today we want to make an image ad for Facebook, and for that we need to have the size right. Okay, so the size for the best size for Facebook ads images are square, so we will do 1080 on 1080. Okay, so I have handpicked 2 images from our categories. I have chosen a background and no background image. Okay, so let's start importing them. Okay, and the other one. We need to add some shapes. Because some text will go here and another one. have another one on top of this image. Okay, now let's take them behind, because we need to take the colors from our no background image. Okay, so this shape will be white, this one will be something like this one, and the last shape will have some blue and will also be faded. Okay, let's add some text. Doesn't look bad, but let's add another text here where we'll put our services. Okay, seems right. Also we'll change the text, the color. We have sewer lines, drain cleaning, and water heaters. Perfect. Okay, let's add the phone number.
Okay guys, so what is our final opinion? We recommend it. It is a very easy to use software. You can really make a lot of beautiful images for your online work, for any niches, even if you are a beginner. So guys, thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to get started with StockMages and all our bonuses, just click the link in the description below. Also subscribe and like this video, it really helps our YouTube channel, we appreciate it. For any question, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.